What if you never had to write another AI prompt again? No more ChatGPT prompts, no more switching between Claude, Gemini, Grok, or Perplexity. No more messy AI outputs. No more complicated AI workflows. Because what you're about to see changes everything. Let's be honest, most AI tools today are broken. They promise automation, but instead, you spend hours learning prompt engineering, switching between different AI platforms, rewriting weak outputs, paying multiple monthly subscriptions, buying extra APIs and expensive add-ons. And even after all that, they fail at one critical thing. They don't understand your business. Hence, most AI output still feels 1. Generic, 2. Robotic, 3. Unstable. That's because traditional AI tools don't truly understand your business. They only respond to prompts, and if your prompt is bad, your output is bad. That's why most people waste more time using AI than actually growing their business. Instead of saving time, AI often increases workload because you still have to write perfect prompts, fix broken outputs, combine multiple tools, edit everything manually. So instead of automation, you get more work disguised as AI. But not anymore. A new type of AI system is changing everything. Not just a tool, not just a chatbot, but something completely new. Command-based execution intelligence. A system that doesn't wait for instructions. It understands your business and executes work for you. That is exactly what OneCommand AI delivers. Introducing OneCommand AI, the world's first AI operating system that understands your business and creates done-for-you, ready-to-publish business assets from a single command. Imagine typing one simple instruction and instantly getting stunning AI images, viral videos, high-converting sales copy, persuasive emails, marketing campaigns, deep research reports, social media content, business assets, landing pages, product ideas, and more, all created automatically, without writing prompts, without switching tools, and without getting generic robotic outputs. Instead of forcing you to learn AI, OneCommand AI learns your business, your products, your audience, your goals, your brand voice, your offers. Then it uses advanced multi-AI intelligence to create results-driven outputs automatically. No prompts, no confusion, no technical skills needed. Just one command and done for you, ready to publish business assets. Here's how OneCommand AI works. Step 1, train. Train OneCommand AI about your business. Step 2, understand. OneCommand AI learns and understands your business, tone, offers, market, and objectives automatically. Step 3, command. Enter one simple command and just type what you want, like create a full marketing campaign or generate a viral video script. Step 4, results. OneCommand AI generates everything for you. Instantly generate images, video, content, emails, marketing campaigns, research, business assets, and more, all tailored specifically to your business. No prompt engineering, no switching tools, no generic outputs. Just ready to use results-driven business assets, and unlike traditional AI tools, the outputs are tailored specifically to your business, not generic or garbage outputs. What makes OneCommand AI different? Most AI platforms give you one AI model. OneCommand AI gives you access to multiple advanced AI engines working together inside one smart operating system. That means you get better creativity, better research, better reasoning, better marketing outputs, better business intelligence, better automation, all from one dashboard. No tool switching, no technical setup, no API chaos, no monthly fees draining your wallet. With OneCommand AI, you can create AI images and videos instantly, create viral content faster, build marketing campaigns in minutes, generate high-converting copy, automate business tasks, scale your brand faster, save thousands in AI tool costs, replace multiple expensive platforms, and the best part, you don't need tech skills, design skills, marketing experience, prompt engineering knowledge. If you could type a single command, you can use OneCommand AI. Let's compare. The old way, without OneCommand AI, writing complicated prompts, switching between multiple AI tools, paying expensive monthly subscriptions, getting generic AI outputs, wasting hours creating content and marketing assets, managing APIs, tools, and technical setup. New way with OneCommand AI, one simple command, one all-in-one AI operating system, business-ready outputs in minutes, smart AI that understands your business, high-converting content, videos, and campaigns, real results without the complexity. Now you're probably thinking, this must cost a fortune, right? Honestly, OneCommand AI is priceless. Because if you try to do all of this manually, you'd need a copywriter, a designer, a video creator, a marketing expert, multiple AI subscriptions, research tools, automation platforms. That could easily cost you $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 per month. But today, you're not paying anything close to that, because right now, you can get instant access to OneCommand AI for a tiny fraction of the cost, and your purchase is completely risk-free. You're protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you decide OneCommand AI isn't for you, we'll refund every penny. But here's the important part. This is a limited time launch offer. Once this special launch ends, the price will increase, monthly pricing may be introduced, early access bonus may be removed. So if you want to lock in lifetime access at the lowest possible price, now is the time to act. The AI revolution is already here. The question is, will you keep struggling with complicated AI tools, or will you use the first AI operating system built to actually understand and grow your business? Click the button below now to get instant access to OneCommand AI today and experience what happens when AI finally starts working for you instead of making you work for it. We'll see you inside.